This is our first training, and how we confirm the communicate between the computer and or AGU display properly. The first, we need to make sure the connection between the computer and the AGU display well. This is evaluation kits that is available on our website, and you can see there is some cables, and this is a board, and this is a USB to micro USB board. This is a 4-pin cable, and this is 8-pin cable, and this is a 10-pin FFC cable. Please make sure that the voltage is set up properly. This is a pretty powerful board. You can see we can supply the power from the micro USB, or if it is a bigger display, it is a 7-inch display or above, we need to use this DC jack. And there are some jumper here to make sure that the voltage is set up right according to the product specification. And also, there are 3 interfaces here. There is UART TTL232 interface, and RS232 interface, and also RS485 interface. To make sure that is all the voltage and also the jumper set up properly. Otherwise, the board might be burned. Okay, let's set up the board. This is our AGU 2.4-inch display, and this is USB. And we use 4-pin connection for that. And also connect 4-pin connection to our display. Okay, and then we plug in with our USB, micro USB to see. You can see it is a light up. That means that all the connections are good. So, or Flash already have a startup image here. Okay. This is only for supply the power. How we can confirm the computer communicate with our display. And normally we use you can see first we need to make sure the computer that is already confirmed or board. How to do that? We open the device manager. From the port session, you can see there is a USB serial CH340. that is come with a COM4. We remember it is a COM4, okay? And then we open the software. First, we confirm. The document is COM3, but actually we see it is a COM4. And then we open the serial communication software, the OD serial COM exe. We open that, and first we will set up UART port. Here is a COM19. We know that is a COM with a COM4, and that's it. We just open the UART. Okay, we are ready. Oh, and also we here we send the hex file, so we use hex send, and from another document, it is AGU serial display user manual. We have a lot of comments, and here we have some examples. So we listed some code example. This code all written in the hex font, so we use a hex to do the work. For example, we like to turn off the backlight off. We see if it's a work, okay? And we copy that, and then we input into our software. We input here. Then I will click send data. Okay, I will change it to the camera and to see if it is turned off. You can see it is turned off. That means that the computer communicate with our display well. So the backlight is off, and we cannot see the display. So we need to turn it back on. And we need to turn on the backlight. So in that case, we copy that, and we clear the send area and paste that, and we turn back to the camera, and we send. You can see it is working. Okay, so then we try another one. For example, we will draw a red rectangle starting this coordinate, and with a length of 32 and a width 32. Actually, it is a square. Okay, and we will copy that, and we will clear this area, and we are going to send. I will turn on the camera. I'm not sure you can see there is a red rectangle there. Maybe it is not clear. I will make this a more clear one. Okay, you can see I use a filled red rectangle. Okay, so but it's a smaller and solid. This one radius, maybe this one. And I turn on the camera. Yeah, I believe you can see the dot, right? And also the square. Okay, that's that's a first order training. That's proof that the computer communicate with our AGU 2.4-inch display well.